it's your girl, the Makeup Plug, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to bleach the knots on my closure. And right here I have 40 volume developer, and this is going to help mix. And then I just have an empty white bowl. I'm going to mix everything in. And then I have the BW2 Clairol bleaching powder, extra strength. And everything that I'm using is only $1.99. The developer was $1.99, and this little packet was $1.99. And so for my closure, this closure is from VIB Beauty Hair. I will link everything down below. And this is in the Kinky Curly. And I just wanted to get close up so you can see the knots. This is what I'm going to bleach. All those little black dots right there, I'm going to bleach them. And you can see from the back, you can see them more defined. And this is all that you guys will need. And right here, I just placed my closure on a piece of aluminum foil, and I'm just trying to flatten that little piece up because it seems like that little piece on my closure keeps coming up, but it's fine. I'm just taking an old makeup brush that I do not use at all anymore, and I'm reading the directions on my bleaching powder because you can burn your skin if you do not do this correctly. And I grabbed the packet. It was only $1.99. Thank you, God. I thought I had to buy that big old tub. And a little bit goes a long way. If you get this packet, you can get at least like 3 or 2 uses out of it. And you only need a little bit out this packet. And I'm just dumping a little bit of the 40 volume developer at a time. Never dump too much because you want it to be a thick consistency. And I'm just taking my time mixing this, making sure I'm getting all between like the edges of the bowl and everything like that. Now I saw that I needed more, so I only dumped a little bit more to get that consistency so it won't be like crumble like. And you see how thick it still is, and you only need a little bit for your closure. Never use too much product. And you see, look, oh wait, am I in the frame? There we go. Look, it's still thick, y'all. And now I'm just going to spread this all over the closure, and I'm not pressing, I'm just more spreading, if you get what I'm saying. You're gonna spread it like it's basically a bagel. And now I'm just going to start folding the aluminum foil. I'm going to fold the top, and then I'm going to fold the sides, and then I'm going to add a piece of aluminum foil right on top to tuck it, and I'm going to let it sit for at least 15 minutes. This is just me sewing my bundles onto my wig cap while I have the bleach sitting on the closure. Now that the time is done, I'm rinsing the bleach off with some water, and I'm just making sure I get everything. I don't care if the hair gets wet or whatever. I'm just rinsing the whole thing. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit of purple shampoo, and I got this purple shampoo from work. It is by Dry Bar, and it smells actually really fresh and refreshing. It smells really good. And I'm just making sure I rub the back of the closure and the top of the closure where the scalp is. And now I'm just gonna rinse that off so we can see how it looks. The purple shampoo just protects the closure from looking brassy or orange. So that's the purpose of it. Let's see it. It looks really good, and mind you, I just put it on my fingers, but that looks good. So this is the final results of the closure, and I put it on my arm. This looks like a real scalp. I did a good job. And this is just what the closure looks like on me, and look at it, y'all. It looks really good. These curls are popping.